Hey there, my awesome artists! Welcome back to our fantastic fall art series on the channel. Today we've made something super yummy and fun for you. Think about a special jar with a fun design on top. But that's not all. On either side of our cookie jar, we've placed a couple of cookies, just waiting for someone to take a nibble. Inside, it's filled with the tastiest, warm chocolate chip cookies, all piled up like a cookie tower, just waiting to be eaten. And don't forget to take a peek at our jar. We've added a cute sticker that simply says, "Cookies." Because let's face it, cookies are the best part of any season. It's sitting on a wooden coaster that looks like a tree stump. It's got cool patterns that make it feel like it's part of a magical forest. Speaking of forests, in the background, you'll spot some beautiful fall leaves. So, all you artists, get your art stuff ready, and let's make this delicious autumn picture. Use colors like orange, peach, yellow, and brown, just like the melted chocolate on those cookies. Red, and hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your wonderful creations in the comments below. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep creating, keep munching on those cookies, and embrace the beauty of fall.